Hello dreamers, I'm Dr. Shivani and today I'm going to give you a breaking news about the map to success in UPSC Prelims 2022. We have thoughtfully created it, spent numerous hours on perfecting the smallest details so you learn more in less time. If you haven't guessed it already, let me tell you, it's UPSC Map Practice feature, an app-exclusive offering that gives you complete coverage of maps for civil services examination, and it is based on the latest UPSC CSE pattern. It's concise, it's comprehensive, it's detailed, and yes, it's all-in-one guide to the map-based questions for UPSC CSE.
सिग्निफिकेंस अगर देखी जाए तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंस इसके इकोनॉमिक है।
पर्शियन गल्फ में 8 कंट्रीज हैं, गल्फ कंट्रीज में 7 कंट्रीज हैं एंड गल्फ कोऑपरेशन काउंसिल में 6 कंट्रीज हैं।
Do you want to know why? Because it covers the important world locations from the UPSC perspective, along with the detailed explanations for the related regions, so your learning goes in the right direction at the right pace. So be it mastering different types of map-based questions, relevant topics, and understanding what geographical locations are important from the exam perspective, the UPSC practice will help you cover. Amazed, right? Then download the PrepLadder app now and kickstart your journey to success in Prelims 2022 only with UPSC Map Practice that's now live. And don't forget to own your dream.